Hi everyone, and good Sunday to you. Let's do a quick weather update on this Sunday morning. A little more wintry weather is heading our way today into tonight. And I mean a little. This is not going to be a huge deal in most spots, but we are going to see some snowflakes that can be a little bit impactful, especially, again, late today into tonight. What we're looking at on this weather map this morning is what we call the water vapor imagery, and all these white lines signify what's going on in the upper levels of the atmosphere. And well, yesterday's snow shower activity was thanks to this upper low, which has moved off to the northeast. We're kind of in between systems this morning, and here's our next weather maker out here. This is another upper level low pressure system spinning across the Midwest this morning. As this pivots east over the next 12 to 18 hours, it's going to lead to rising air in the atmosphere. Rising air means clouds and some light precipitation as well, and that's what we expect as we go through the next, again, 12 to 18 hours or so, with the highest impacts coming, I think, after sunset this evening into the overnight hours tonight. Let's pop up the radar this morning, and even though you're going to see some green on here, the radar algorithm is incorrectly identifying some of this snow shower and flurry activity as liquid precipitation. This, of course, is scattered flurries and snow showers this morning, and the more numerous snowflakes are definitely out here with that upper low across Indiana, parts of Michigan and Illinois this morning, and again, this is going to pivot east as we go into the second half of the day today. Let's show you our simulated radar on our high-res computer model here. Flurries, a snow shower, yeah, that can happen over the next several hours right through this afternoon, but all of it's going to be pretty low impact. Temperatures above freezing by a couple of degrees. It's going to be a brisk and chilly day, but certainly nothing unusual for the second half of January. Here's the more numerous snow shower activity. I've stopped the model here at 4 o'clock this afternoon. So as we head towards sunset, and especially beyond sunset into the evening, we're going to see more numerous snow showers around, and while accumulations are going to be modest, any of this activity, once it gets past dark, any of this activity can lead to localized small accumulations, localized slick spots, especially on the usual colder surfaces, bridges and overpasses and side roads and less traveled roads as well. The flurries and snow showers will try to stick around through the overnight, so some people have Monday off because of the Martin Luther King holiday, but if you are up and at them early in the morning on Monday, again, watch for a few slick spots out there. There can still be some flurries, and because of what happened overnight, again, there might be some residual slick areas. As far as the accumulations go, all of this pretty modest here locally, but as you know, you only need a half an inch of snow sometimes to make things really slick and maybe cause some issues. But as far as the actual accumulations, this is the National Weather Service forecast, which I am generally in agreement with. The general idea here is a coating to, at most, probably 2 inches across the immediate WFMJ television viewing area. So with a little lake enhancement, especially by tonight, if you're going to get up to 2 inches, chances are highest north of I-80 in northern Trumbull and Mercer. But even south of I-80, if you get some random snow shower that has a little bit of pep in its step, you might end up with an inch or two worth of snow in some localized areas. So be a little bit careful if you're out on the roads late today into tonight, first thing Monday morning. Otherwise, pretty uneventful late January weather will continue. And as we've been talking about in recent days, the second half of January likely to be colder than the first half, although it does not look like it's going to be harshly cold at all. Here's a look at one model simulation for the next several days, in fact, taking us all the way through February 1st. And you see some cold days in here, yes. Next weekend, we might have a hard time getting out of the 20s, but hey, late January, that's nothing to write home about. I do not see any sort of harsh Arctic outbreak coming our way anytime real soon. Make it a great Sunday, everyone. I'll see you Monday on 21 News at 6 and 11. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Weather for Weather Geeks will be back Monday evening as well. See you then.